What is up, YouTube? So yes, I got more lights, just to show you guys. It is nighttime right now, just so you guys get an idea. I am crazy about lights because I need to see my stuff. So one other thing that I needed is reverse lights. My stock reverse lights are garbage, and like you saw, Auxito LED lights for my reverse lights. I really hope they work because I kind of bought them blindly. I had reverse lights, but then I picked the incorrect ones. So hopefully these are the ones that fit as well. They're reverse lights, so it'll fit 912, 921, 906. The color is white, voltage is 12 volts. Only used for backup reverse lights. So everything's in Chinese or whatever language that is. But we're gonna install them right now. It's supposedly very simple. This is my 2001 Subaru Forester, so I just have to make sure you guys remember that. So in the hatch, it's really simple. Normally there would be like a cover right there, but mine doesn't have it on either side, so it makes it a whole lot easier to plug and remove the bulb. So let's get going. I just have to make sure which one the reverse light is. So we're gonna pull it down, and it's gonna be this one right here. This one. So it's gonna be the top one. We're gonna remove. Let me see if I can do this. Oops. Where is it at? So it's gonna be this one, I believe. One. So I'm gonna need both of my hands. I can't really record at the same time, okay? All right, so I took that out and it looks like it's the same one. You just gotta pull this out of the socket. Don't do that, guys. That is not safe. So here is the bulb. That's the stock bulb. All right, let's get this out. Yes, I know my trunk is dirty. Where'd the bulb go? So that looks insanely huge. Let's hopefully they fit. Alright, so I'm gonna 16 watt lights. So I'm gonna need my hand to install it. So I'll be right back. So, oops, I'm going to turn the car on, and it's in reverse right now. So just flip it on. Alright, so that is the stock. That is the LED light. Super bright. Stock LED. Stock LED. And this is what the back side is. So that's stock LED. So there is both of them installed, and it's just so much brighter. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Description is gonna have the items. So peace out.